Welcome to M&M Adventures channel! Samahan niyo po kami ngayon sa aming bagong adventure sa pagbisita ng food truck ni Jeepney JayTee. You can follow and check him out on Facebook as Jeepney JayTee and in YouTube also as Jeepney JayTee. This is our first time to visit his food truck, but my husband has been following him in Facebook for 2 years and we would like to try his Filipino authentic food. Enjoy watching, guys, and shout out to Romblon Vloggers and Dream Team. Yan po ang pila ng naghihintay para sa pag-order ng food.
That's alright. I'm taking video of that chip. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the online franchise, I think.
Did you like it? Yeah. Did you like it?
So good.
Thank you. That is from the bomba.
How spicy is it?
I remember you put it.
Well, I'm the wrong person.
I'll eat something.
Yan ang punta mo, ha? Meron, marami ka. Alam na, oh, next time alam natin yung
Is that correct? Opo.
That's it, my friend.
What do you want?
I want the sisig fries, but I want, pwede bang may rice nun?
You have rice instead of fries?
Rice na lang?
Shinaron. Shinaron na lang.
Sige, try.
And we're gonna get a empanada. Because we heard very good things about your empanada from that couple.
Tapos, pwede namang pa-explain sa kanya ang karyoka?
Oh, my friend, it's a glutinous rice ball. It's deep fried with the caramelized brown sugar. Which one? The carioca.
Karyoka. But you wanna try the taho, right?
Yeah, the taho. One taho, please.
Rather la bomba.
Opo. That's everything.
Miles. Can I get your name?
Miles. M-I-L-E-S. What kilometers used to be?
I'm sorry?
What kilometers used to be?
Oh, Miles.
Opo.
Ayan na yung in-order kong sisig with rice and Miles is binagnit and
No.
rice.
Really?
Oh,
That looks like rice.
Oh, with
Cheesy chili fries.
cheesy.
Cheese chili chips.
Yeah. I can eat.
Guys, natawa ako dito at mali yung sinabi kong order ng asawa ko.
a giant empanada that highly recommended to order.